Mini camp number 3 today. So I'm about to head out. I need to get dressed. I'm currently in a robe. The robe that Bradley got me for his wedding as a groomsman gift. So I'm gonna get ready, and then I don't know if I updated y'all about what what my status was for making the pro ultimate frisbee team in Austin was, but I'll give you all a rundown about that and some of my thoughts on it. I need to find my fanny pack. It's downstairs. So I ended up not making the actual roster for the pro team, which, I mean, sucks. But at the same time, going into it, I was happy with being a practice player. Part of it is because I still get to get good reps with a lot of the better players, like a lot of the good pro players, while not being fully committed. And like my close friends from Houston and whoever knew that was my intention. But yeah, so I played pro last year with Houston, and I mean it was fun, but it was a big time commitment, I guess, and I didn't even play that much. But I think that was because of me not wanting to work out and whatnot, but that's not here nor there. But even being a practice player on Austin Soul is I don't know, for me, I don't really like lifting weights and running and stuff, but I have to be a part of the program. So I don't know, I think as the process has gone on, I'm glad with where I'm at, in a sense of I think I'm okay not being on the team outright, but if I did make it, I mean, that'd be great, obviously. But it's just a lot of work, a ton of work. We've been doing workouts every day, or pod workouts, or lifting, or running, along with practice, and then club season starting up soon. So it's just a lot. And then the couple months that we've done it, I mean, there's been weeks where I'm just super exhausted. I don't know if that's partly because I just don't work out a lot or what, but I don't know. Props to the people who enjoy it, because it's just too much, and I think that's my biggest maybe not fault, but I think I'm content with not having frisbee as a huge priority, in a sense of grinding, whereas if James or someone is oh, let's go do this weekend, well, I'm not playing pro, so it's sure, let's do it. So I think that's the part of the coin that I like a lot more than just grinding. But yeah, I don't know, that's just a little rant, I guess. Not even a rant, but just me talking to you guys, letting y'all know what's up. But yeah, I mean, practice has been fun. We're going to minicamp now. I think we're just going to scrimmage a lot, because opening day is next Friday for the league, but for the Soul it's 2 Saturdays from now. But of course I won't be there because I'm going to Guatemala, which will be fun in its own thing. But we just got to Westlake for practice. I need to turn off my car. Should be good practice. There's a lacrosse team practicing. Westlake's lacrosse team is practicing. So we're using the field next to them. What's up, Dunk?
Is he in trouble with his job?
Ugh.
Didn't he accidentally buy the plate?
How you doing, pal?
It wasn't chill. I had a lot of stuff to do today, but I got it all done.
You got home last year.
Coding cycles. So we need to have. Wait, are you talking about the? Yeah, when's it?
It starts on Monday. I got time.
Dude, I want to look at mental preparation.
I'm getting to see you guys tomorrow.
Because if I don't like it, then I gotta find something else.
No, you
So we just finished practice. We did a lot of end of quarter stuff. It was fun. Now I think the teams we're gonna go to Rudy's, eat food and hang out, and then everyone's just gonna go home. So yeah. Cuba, taste the potatoes.
It tastes like they boiled them and then.
Put them on the sandwich.
On the sandwich.
on the sandwich.
I mean, they taste like butter.
Are they that buttery? Maybe I'm just used
That's
to
all they are, it's butter. It's like potatoes and
They're
butter.
not unbuttered.
They're not unbuttered.
They're not butterless. I'll tell you that much.
They're going on the sandwich too.
Potatoes are better than what I'm about to
Why
go
does it
pay.
matter if you put them in a stew? I don't
No, they were better separate, and then even though they were that good, I threw them in a stew.
know. Okay.
Like I made better potatoes to go into a
You
stew
wouldn't put good
than
potatoes
the
in a stew.
$7 pint of potatoes we just bought. Is what I'm saying. The only point.
You got him on that, right?
Good reaction. You just stone faced nothing. I don't get anything out of it. I don't know.
Well, you say dumb things, I'm used to that. There's nothing to react coming out of there.
Try the potatoes now. Tell me if they didn't need salt.
I'm too full.
Better? A lot better?
Salt, just a little bit.
So there was buttered, saltless potatoes.
They said they use
Salted butter.
non-salted butter. That's
But
right.
there is a lot of butter. That's the only claim I made about
That
it.
is the only claim he made.
No, you did say they were good.
Well, wait, are they not good?
He said these are buttery
No, I
goodness.
salted them. They were not.
You can't win, Joe.
Would you put these in a stew?
Yeah.
Before you buttered them?
Because they don't taste very good.
Got home, and now it's time to upload or edit this shit and play League of Legends. So with that, I'll catch you later. Peace.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us. If you want peace, go and throw up the sign. If you want